Wait.
Okay.
Mitchell. Wait for Mitchell.
Okay, Mitchell.
Mitchell.
Unwrap it, please.
Open.
Adrian, let him do it. Let him do it.
Let him do it.
Let him do
He
it.
wants to do it. Adrian.
Let him do it. You have yours to open.
Mine's is bigger.
What do you do with that?
It shoots out balls.
Oh.
Wow, a ball. The ball's going there. The ball's going here. Daddy, the ball's going in there.
Yeah. We'll have to, after we're done opening, we can get some batteries and use it.
Mama,
That's yours, Mitchell? Hey, Mitchell, is that yours? That look like fun?
I got one for me.
Oh, he just got it from his favorite one. That's yours.
Okay.
Sit on Daddy's lap
Sit on my lap.
so I can see you.
That's okay. That's Crystal's.
Okay, Adrian, you're gonna open it.
Oh, what's that?
It's a parachute I wanted! Parachute I wanted!
How did Santa know? Did you tell him? Did you ask Santa for it?
Next, another yo-ho. Now you're...
Well, Mitchell likes his big present and you like your big present, right?
Yeah, I got cake. Here's you. Take that. So, there. Close that. And close the door. Bye-bye. Okay, bye.
Did it say bye-bye? Did it say bye-bye?
Okay, what I can open first? I
Go
open
get it.
first.